Jotono no khulungpa ani channel norok subscribe khaide ani channel katal job notification bunise sikang mana bagai engke phaide tini nailai ne kaisa mo private company wo oro vacancy toro rujak krei haipono oro tongo location tongo Guwahati Agartala Dibrugarh tai Pasighat Agartala ni borok bo tomuno interest tong khangkai rui mano engka oro sasaka je candidate interest tongnai bini last qualification mark sheet tai ID proof iko on number ro send khai ready engka naidi oro tam sasaka joto je interest tongnai freshers candidate borok apply khalai mano obo angkai guest relationship active angkai job ni rule tongnai craft diplomatic person angkai naidi available job location Guwahati tongo Agartala Dibrugarh Pasighat engkai salary rejanai 21,000 ismi 25,000 per month engkai naidi aro tam sajaka age limitation rejaka ro 18 years to 30 years ni bisingo engkai qualify gangkai 12 pass tai obonse kabang bongo engkai skills engkai tam nangkaro good communication in English good communication in English time candidate should have a pleasing personality mo personality botongna nangnai tai naidi je interested candidate tongnai ko omo bai kurung mano oro number jak tongo noro call khai bongno tese kam ka singi naidi je interest tongnai engkai amsung no tini bagai norok nai tongnya ni channel no subscribe khaidi ante bo katal video upload khainai job notification ni bagai tai online application related joto video ang upload khayo engkai nai tongdi jotono no hambai